Vanakkam friends, I welcome you all to the Nifty and Bank Nifty expectations for the upcoming week. So, the previous week, like we expected, it has created a perfect inverse head and shoulder pattern. This was our expectation during last week and it has been fulfilled throughout the week. So, rather than wasting time, we will move on to the next week analysis. So, I have considered the weekly high and low and drawn a Fibonacci retracement for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. This is Nifty charts, 1 hour chart, and added the 20 simple moving average over here. This red line is the 20 simple moving average. This red color line is the 20 moving average. Looking at the situation, Singapore Nifty closed somewhere around 70 points lower than that of our close. So we can expect a gap down opening tomorrow, that is on Monday. And due to TCS results, it is not beaten the street expectations. It is marginally below expectations. It is not a very smaller company like Mindtree or LTTS kind of stuff. It is TCS. So heavy institutional investors will be playing over there. In that case, we can expect a small drop or correction in IT sectors, that too in major IT sectors like Infy, TCS, Wipro, HCL, these kind of stuff. Not in the smaller companies. Smaller companies will run on their own. Okay. So in that case, it will damage Nifty to an extent. But however, we expect Nifty not to fall below this particular line, which it has created as a gap on Monday. I mean to say this particular line. It has created a gap up opening on Monday. That particular gap, it may or may not test, but it will definitely not fall below that particular line. That is my expectation for the upcoming week. So where do you buy now? That will be your question. The best place to buy is this 50% retracement area. If you are an aggressive trader, you can go and buy near the 61% retracement area, which is around 17,800 mark, or else you need to wait till 17,750 mark. Along with this, I have correlated with the PCR stuff. The PCR of 17,800 strike is currently at 1.80 something like that, and at the same time the PCR for 17,700 strike is at 4.5 above. As per our earlier discussions and knowledge sharing, anything above 1.5 is the strong support. So consider 4.5 above in this case, which means 17,700 will be a very strong support for the upcoming week, irrespective of whatever the results come in between. Only any other external global factors can affect this and make Nifty to fall below this particular level, or else it will definitely stay above 17,700 levels. On the upside, it has almost created a double top kind of stuff. This was the high during couple of weeks back, 17,947, and the Friday high was 17,941. So this is the first attempt for breaking the earlier highs. As we have discussed multiple times earlier in our Telegram channel through messages, the first attempt will be a failure. That is what it is going to happen tomorrow. There will be a second attempt too, that will may or may not break the earlier highs, but the third attempt will definitely break the earlier highs, and it will go towards 18,200. We are not sure whether it is going to happen this week or next week, but it will definitely happen as long as this 17,583 holds. If this level is holding, we are definitely going to see 18,000 and above. The minimum target which I have is 18,200, and the maximum target which I see is 18,444. That is the maximum target which I am seeing as of now. But we'll review that situation of markets when it reaches 18,444. This is what we can do in Nifty. The best strike price which you can catch will be 17,900 or 18,000 strike as hero or zero for next week during the drop towards the 61.8 retracement area, or else the 50% retracement area. Now moving on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is a little bit confusing if you look at the charts, but let me explain it in a simpler way. This is the resistance level, this red color line. It has formed multiple tops. See here, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, and this is number 4. So 4 tops has been created somewhere around 38,000 area, 38,000 to 38,100 area. So this is going to be a tough hurdle to break. And at the same time, the falling trend line, raising trend line for a triangle breakout or breakdown, I have connected these particular lows of the previous week. Okay, so in that case, it is correct, exactly taking support at the trend line and then climbing higher. However, if we are seeing a fall in broader markets tomorrow, that is on Monday or on Tuesday, there are chances that it will come further down and take support at this particular trend. This particular trend line is somewhere near 37,600 odd levels. Okay, so it may come and take support at this level and then climb higher. Bank Nifty, we are not supposed to short until and otherwise it breaks this particular line, this red color line which I have drawn. The level is 37,367. Until this level holds, we are expected to climb higher only. We are not expected to go down. So until this level holds, all dips are considered as buying opportunity. And on the upside, this particular line 37,100 zones, if it breaks 37,100 to 120 zones, sorry, 38,100 to 150 zones. If it breaks, definitely we will see this particular area being tested, which is 38,360 odd levels. Definitely, that is a 250 point up move. It is not even 1% of the Bank Nifty move, but definitely we will see. Crossing that particular area will be a difficult stuff. If crossed, if there is a big if over here, if crossed and closed on daily time frame for even one day, we will easily reach out 39,000. Easily in the sense, maybe in next 1 or 2 sessions itself, we will reach 39,000. At that time, all private sector banks will be skyrocketing like anything. Keep an eye out on IndusInd Bank, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and Axis Bank. These 5 are the giants which are going to take the lead once it breaks out after the 38,365 odd levels. If this level is broken, definitely we are going to see a firing rally which will be led by HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. If these two raise just 1%, that is enough for Bank Nifty to cross 38,500 levels. Once 38,500 is crossed, shorts will be forced to cover and it will automatically take it to 39,000 levels. This is our analysis for and expectations for the upcoming week. Mark these levels and have it in a notepad, or you can see our video anytime you require in YouTube, and mark these levels, trade accordingly. At the downside, whatever the level which we have mentioned is the strong support which we see as of now. Only any global external factors could affect this. Don't worry about the internal factors, which means the quarterly results which we are going to see during the upcoming week. I will also add our Telegram channel links in this description of this particular video. You can join our channel, and all newcomers, I request you to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. I am going to post some simple strategies by which you can understand markets. Couple of weeks back, I have posted the simplest form in which you can trade in Bajaj Finance. The simplest form, there is no other simplest form to trade. Not trading, it is investing. In investing in Bajaj Finance, there is no simple, you can't find any simplest form other than the which I have told for Bajaj Finance. Same way, I am going to come up with some simple strategies for crude oil, for many other stocks like that. Okay, I would not be able to name the stocks right now. The simple stocks which I am going to discuss will make you understand how these stocks are functioning and when to buy and when to sell. This is what I can say you right now. Stay tuned in our channel. Definitely you will gain knowledge. That is the assurance I can give you as of now. Thank you all. Bye.